Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something. I've been getting samples of these umai crates for years, and I want to say about 3 years ago they started putting in recipe cards. Anyways, an umai crate is something from japancrate.com. You can go there and get one and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get you like a little discount. These are chocolate peanut butter ramen bars. Yeah, let's see how this goes. First thing it says to do is put parchment paper. That doesn't seem to be working yet. Alright, spray with cooking spray. 1 package ramen noodles crushed. It also says we need a large bowl. So add ramen noodles, sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of powdered sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we got all that stuff in there. Now we need to put a half a cup of peanut butter, really? And stir it together. Now we put it all into here and try to spread it evenly. 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Microwave chocolate chips on medium. 45 seconds. Stir and continue to microwave at 15 seconds until melted. Place in fridge for 2 hours and enjoy. So I'm gonna throw this in the fridge for a couple hours. Look at that. Hi. Look at that. Yeah. So our treats will be done in a couple hours. What do you think of that?
Yeah, when I'm at school.
Yeah, I'll save you one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, here's what it looks like. Pretty solid, I'd say. I mean, it's a chunk. Alright, so it said to leave it in there for 2 hours in the fridge. Here's one. Yeah, this is a really sticky mess. It's sweet, it's chocolate, it's peanut butter. You can't beat chocolate and peanut butter. When I look at the picture on the recipe card, see that? Those look a little more cohesive. This is really oily and sticky and messy. But I put it in for 3 hours. Well, I can plate it. Yeah, it tastes good. I think what might have worked better is if they included an exact size of crushed instant noodle block, because more instant noodles would have provided a little bit more ability for it to be more cohesive and set up better. Maybe like a Nissin Deme Ramen or Sapporo Ichiban if you're in the States. I think that size block is probably what you're looking for. The level of crush that I got to those noodles was right though. They softened up a little bit and they still have the crunch. That's pretty much it. It's good. Something interesting to try. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.